Welcome to this guided meditation for stress release. In the next few minutes, you'll be invited to slow down, let go of the tension you've been carrying, and create space for calm. Before we begin, take a moment to prepare your space. Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your feet resting on the floor or lying down with your body fully supported. Let your hands rest gently at your sides, and if it feels right, softly close your eyes. This is your time, a time to release stress and reconnect with your inner balance. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Pause 4 seconds. And a gentle exhale out through your mouth. Pause 4 seconds. Now let's begin. Breath and body awareness. Bring your attention to your breath. Without trying to change it, simply notice its natural rhythm. Inhale. Pause 3 seconds. Exhale. Pause seconds. With every inhale, imagine drawing in peace. With every exhale, imagine releasing stress. Now, slowly scan through your body. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tightness in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. With your next breath out, soften those areas. Move down to your shoulders, your chest, your stomach. Each exhale melts away any tension. Now through your arms, your legs down to your feet. Feel the ground supporting you. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. Visualization for the stress release. In front of you, imagine a small golden flame. It glows softly, warm and steady. This flame is your inner calm. It cannot be shaken by stress, worry, or fear. As you inhale, the flame grows brighter. As you exhale, imagine the flame dissolving any stress you've been holding on to. See it burning away the weight of the day. Breathing in calm. Pause 3 seconds. Breathing out tension. Pause 3 seconds. Now, repeat silently in your mind or softly aloud if you choose. I release what I cannot control. Pause 4 seconds. I welcome calm into my life. Pause 4 seconds. I am safe. I am at peace. Pause 4 seconds. Deepening relaxation. Now imagine this golden flame surrounding you, wrapping you in warmth and light. You are cocooned in calm. Your body feels heavier, deeply at rest. Your mind feels lighter, free of clutter. Take a slow breath in. Pause 4 seconds. And release it fully. Pause 4 seconds. If a stressful thought appears, imagine it as a cloud passing across the sky. Notice it, Pause 2 seconds and then let it drift away. You remain here, steady, calm, peaceful. Remember, stress is temporary, but your inner calm is always present. It is always within you. Closing. Take one final, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Pause 5 seconds. And a long, gentle exhale, letting everything go. Pause 5 seconds. Begin to bring awareness back to your body. Notice your fingers, your toes, perhaps give them a gentle wiggle. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day or into a peaceful night's sleep. You are lighter, you are calmer, you are free. Thank you for giving yourself this moment of release and reset. If this meditation helped you, subscribe and explore the full Mind Reset series for your daily peace.